Hi, my name is Wendy, and today we are talking about how to take care of your arms between massage sessions using the cork ball, the stick, and the massage gun. If you're having any pain in your forearms, hands, elbows from repetitive motion, then you'll want to do these every day, at least one of them every day. Using the cork ball, focus on your palms. This is the tendon that crosses your carpal tunnel nerve. And then rolling the ball around the forearms below the elbows. The elbows have some bony areas that you want to avoid, so just stay on the meaty, muscly part of the upper arm. This is where your fingers attach to the forearm and help you move your fingers. The stick is a little different, where you use one end, anchoring it into the hip, and using pressure from your other hand to roll out your whole forearm, all the way from your wrist to your elbow. Use a fist or extended fingers. That changes how the muscles feel. Look for adhesions in the muscle, hang out there for a bit, using extra pressure. The massage gun is used in a similar way. We'll come a little bit closer to the elbow, but just staying mostly in the meaty part or the muscly part of the upper arm. The second attachment you can see I'm using is for a different effect. The first one is for more of a warm-up, and the second one is for more deeper tissue work. Rotating your wrists around, getting both sides of the arm, using a fist and extended hand to achieve different results. Thank you for watching, and if you like videos like this, please comment, like, and share. Bye for now, and don't forget, take care of yourself each and every day.